So this is my review on the new DeWalt battery saw. Just laid some hardwood floor. 10 empty boxes. They are 25.51 square feet per box. That's 10 empty ones. And my saw just won't turn the light on anymore. Turns on and then just turns off. That's after I laid all this. And into the hallway, the trim pieces. Kind of dark back there. So yeah, I don't know how many cuts it is. They're 8-inch planks. But all that, I got 2 more boards left in this box, in box number 11. And that's with a battery that I got on eBay. That's not a DeWalt battery. That's it.